I'm Dean Travis Clark, host of Sport Fishing TV, and with me is Chris Cato from Shakespeare Marine Antennas. And in addition to all the fabulous antennas you have for all sorts of applications, you have myriad accessories to make all that equipment work so much better. Why don't we start at this end and you can point some of it out?
Absolutely, Dean. What we'll start with is our two-piece mounting systems that we offer for our larger antennas. So you get a standoff bracket, which supports the upper part of the antenna, and then you get the lower part mounting system, which can be round like this, or you can have a heavy-duty version, which we also offer in the two-piece system. And then going on to our ratchet type mounts, we offer a couple of different ones. We have a 4187 standard mount. This is one of the popular ones that we offer. And then we also offer this in a heavy-duty version, which has a structurally reinforced neck down at the base here. And then we have our most popular mount, which is our 5187 ergonomically styled mount.
That, I have to say, as mounts go, that is gorgeous. And that's a new design, and didn't you get an original patent for that or something?
Absolutely. We do have a patent for this particular mount.
That is pretty.
All right, and then we step on to our different arrays of rail mounts that we offer. This just happens to be one of the rail mounts that we offer that's a ratcheting type mount. And then we go into straight mounts, so that you don't have to ratchet anything, and these can be just put straight up on flat surfaces. And then we have our 495 lift and lay mount.
Now this is the kind of thing that you just lift it up in the mount and you can lay the antenna down flat, right?
That's right. All right. Then we'll step off into the other electronic accessories we offer. For an example, we offer a manual antenna coax switch, which is known as our CS2. Then we also offer an automatic coaxial switch, which is the AS2. And this is for use for those people that want to be able to switch two antennas with one radio or one radio with two antennas. And then we also offer our antenna radio tester.
I've used that. That thing is invaluable. You can check your radio anytime if you're having trouble listening or broadcasting and people can't hear you. You can prove what is right or wrong with that right there.
That's right. Now I've noticed you got a couple of accessories in front of you too.
I do. And I got to tell you that I would never have a boat with a VHF radio without one of these speakers, because I've never found a VHF radio with a speaker that was a whole lot bigger than that. Hard to listen to. These, you add these to that system and all of a sudden you have very clear sound coming through. This is a little 2-inch speaker here that works really well. This is a 4-inch standard speaker, and this is a 4-inch amplified speaker that you can actually plug into a power source, and it makes it even clearer and louder. This is a 5-inch horn, and this is a 40-watt speaker for a loudhailer system. So you hook it up to a separate loudhailer, and you can automate your fog signals. You can talk to the dock master that you're waiting to have information about your slip from or whatever. So all of these things together make communicating so much easier. And then of course, none of these work very well, especially not your antennas, without connectors.
That's correct. We don't want to leave those out. We offer a lot of different connectors, from the solder type that are most common to the type that actually won us awards, which is the crimp-on type, known as the center pin connector.
If you want more information about any of these accessories, you can visit shakespeare-marine.com.